Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Today traders are not ready to speculate on risky assets as yesterday. Most major currencies are trading in a narrow range. Asian stock markets traded with a mixed dynamics as market participants are on edge ahead of a raft of macroeconomic data from China and the eurozone. Besides, crude oil is also trading lower in anticipation of a weekly update on US oil inventories from the Energy Information Administration. The Australian dollar has been the worst performer among the top 10 currencies. The Aussie tumbled following the dovish minutes of the April policy meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia. Before the release of the minutes, the AUDUSD was trading sideways at around 0.7170. The dollar-yen pair was drifting slightly lower in the Asian trade, though the pair was still trapped in a narrow trading range as yesterday. The bull still can assert strength as Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda confirmed his intention to continue ultra-loose monetary policy. As the economic calendar lacks important data from Japan, the dollar-yen pair is likely to carry on subdued trading before the US releases its macroeconomic reports later this week. The US dollar index is struggling for gains, aiming to break the level of 97.00 upwards. However, its efforts are still in vain. Meanwhile, investors are keeping focus on the trade talks between the United States and China. US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said over the weekend that the trade talks are close to their final round. Today, the United States is due to post a report on industrial production for March. Besides, Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas President Robert Kaplan will deliver a speech at the forum in New Mexico. So, the main driver of the Asian markets are the trade talks between Washington and Beijing. Later, we will figure out what events will see the tone in the European trade. See you!